What's the meaning of communally? Communally. Communally.
Communally. Communally. Communally refers to something that is shared or done by a group of people living in a community. It implies a sense of mutual support, collaboration, and responsibility for the common good. When people act communally, they come together to achieve a shared goal or address a shared issue. This often results in greater social cohesion, stronger relationships, and a greater sense of belonging among community members. By working together and pooling resources, communal efforts can be more effective and sustainable than individual efforts. Overall, acting communally promotes a sense of interconnectedness and collective well-being.